Hey folks, it's another day, another unboxing, and I've got here the Raiju, I guess, mobile Razer game controller for Android. This came just alongside the Razer 2 phone that Razer sent me. Nice. So thanks for that. Pretty cool. So let's get to it and let's have a look, and then we'll put the phone in there and see what it looks like. Just so you know, I just unboxed the phone, so I didn't set it up yet. But hey, that's fine. So a bunch of serial numbers. Package contents, I should say. There you go. Razer logo. A nice little hanging cloth thingy. Razer, and then here in the back it shows you clearly how this is gonna look once we set it up in the Razer phone. Clamps on there. So there is some trigger, some hair trigger mode. You can adjust stuff, ergonomics, multi-function button layout. There's Bluetooth and wired connectivity, adjustable phone mount, so that's cool. Mobile app configuration, and Razer Mecha tactile action buttons. That sounds good. So, all right, let's take a look at this thing in the box. Are we ready? Dun, 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 dun. It's always better. Life is always better with sound effects, okay? By the way, it shows you how to not do things on the side. So, do not flip that open. What you want to do is pull it out, then flip it open. And then, you know, you want to adjust it. Exciting. All right. So let's just do this. Let's pull it out. Ooh, it's got a good heft to it. And those controllers, those shoulder buttons sure feel really nice. There's 3 sets on each side. You see that? 1, 2, 3, and these are maybe analog, and you can adjust, I guess, with this switch. Yeah, these are much more, much less key travel. Actually, I'm not sure what these do right now. Oh yeah, so these limit the travel on the big guys, so you can have these really low travel or really big travel. There's a USB-C connector here, and oh my god, there's even controls underneath. Crazy. So there you go, you can set it to Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, and USB, so you can have 2 devices paired at any given time, which is very cool. Nice rubbery grip on this. You've got 2 analog sticks, pressable, and they feel pretty decent. D-pad, A, B, C, D buttons, A, B, X, Y buttons. And then you got a bunch of buttons here: select, back, home, start. These feel a little mushy. All right, so this pulls out. Ooh, it's metal, check it out. Nice and metal, and then I guess it adjusts. There you go. So that's actually a pretty good there in terms of angle. So I understand now why you can't adjust it when it's like that, because you'd bend this piece of metal since the store's inside. Okay, so let's see. The Razer phone is here, and it would fit, I guess. Oh yeah, so this is also spring-loaded. So as you can see, I haven't set up the phone. But, I see. So you probably want to put the volumes button in this area here and go like this. Yeah, look, the volume button fit perfectly in here. And the phone centers with the volume buttons pretty good like that. Look at that. So that's how you would play. Sorry, I don't have the phone set up, no games installed, but it's a little top heavy in this configuration, but you can also go flat like this if you want. Interesting. Well, anyway, that's the controller. So let's look at the rest of the box, shall we? Ta-da! So I guess maybe USB is the off mode. This was flashing, indicating that I was trying to pair. I suppose this will act as a standard Bluetooth Android controller for any Android phone, which is really what we want. All right, so you get the controller here. You've got a little box right here that has some stuff in it. Let's have a quick look at that. Ooh, this is a very, very nice and very, very long USB type A cable. It's cloth, super high quality, so it's got little condoms on the end. So USB-C on one end and USB-A on the other end. So presumably you can use this as a standard USB controller. And then here is a USB to USB-C, USB-C to USB-C, L-shape to regular shape cord, also cloth. And so I guess the idea, this is what will plug into the back of the controller and into your phone. Very cool, very, very cool. So that's nice quality stuff. And then there's some literature. Raiju Mobile. Tells you all the things. Tells you more of all the things. And even more of all the things. And I could go on and on, but I don't feel like it, so you're not going to get the rest of it. Razer stickers, always a nice touch. And that's it, folks. That's what's in the box. So we've got controller, couple of cables, and of course, Razer phone not included. Razer 2 phone not included. That's it. That's my quick unboxing of the Razer Bluetooth mobile game controller. Raiju, whatever it's called. Raiju. Let's see, what was it called again? It was Raiju Mobile. I don't know. Somebody in the comments, just please jump in right now before I make a complete ass of myself and tell me how you pronounce this properly. Maybe post a video or something. Okay, that's it. Remember, this YouTube channel is a complement to the Mobile Tech Podcast. That's why it's called the Mobile Tech Podcast channel. So subscribe to the Mobile Tech Podcast at mobiletechpodcast.com. Also on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Pocket Casts, Overcast, Stitcher, Slacker, TuneIn Radio, everywhere. Like the video if you did. Subscribe to the channel. Tell your friends about all this. And remember, I have a sponsor, ProXPN. You should support them by getting a deal, and click through the link down in the notes here in the description. ProXPN is a VPN service. If you need to connect securely from anywhere in the world to anywhere in the world and have specific geographic location restrictions, they're your friend. So install ProXPN, they're multi-platform, and they're pretty awesome. And thanks for their support. And so stay tuned for more unboxing videos real soon. Cheers, everybody.